Hello YouTubers, today I bought this iPod flea market for seriously 10 bucks. Guy said it worked, it just had the broken screen. It's a 32 gig and I've had it plugged in to the wall over there, this charger, for well over an hour. Hold the power button, doesn't do anything. I tap the power button, doesn't do anything. I hit the home button, doesn't do anything. Hold both the power and the home, nothing. So anything that could help me, please leave a comment in the description. Comment please, so I don't want to have to replace the screen if there's something else wrong with it. Thank you.